Here I have NOKIA 2.1 and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation that device by using the Nokia settings. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications, then choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here you need to choose reset options, and from the following options let's choose erase all data, so the factory reset. Here you've got the information about this process, so this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account data, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone. And if you would like to erase all your personal information and downloaded apps, let's simply choose erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed successfully. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.